Hey guys, you can get these nice trays for your computer. I put one of these hard drives into this tray, and it's this one on the left. Basically, it's open on the bottom, so it's like a good airflow for your hard drive. I just put 2 screws, but you can put 4 screws. The M3 Torx, I think they are. So then you can just stick this into your bay. I'm gonna install and show you how it looks. You could also use this one right here. It's like all on the bottom. This is the information I found on it. What it says. This is Foxconn, and this one here, it says something else. That's the number. It says N-Light. But it's using the same screws. They all fit. This one over here, I don't even know what this is. There's no markings, but it looks like you can fit 2 hard drives inside. From this side, you slide them in, and there's little things here, so you know, one go on the top or bottom. But I don't know how you're gonna install this kind of in the computer, from the top maybe, or whatever. I'm not sure. It almost looks like the case for a power supply. So we're gonna put it right here in this computer, between the 2 DVD drives. We have an extra spot there, but we only have a limited amount of power supplies for this SATA type and everything. We can use the old kind, but I don't know if this hard drive can even take those old kind of power supply. Let's see. So it seems only to have these newer type, but a lot of these hard drives, they still have that old thing, like even on that Dell one. So here we got the drive inside. We connected it up inside that slot. We can put it like on the bottom there, but this is just for testing. It's kind of getting busy over here, but yeah, you could easily just put it on the bottom. There's a lot of slots here, but here's the front. So we just stuck it in. We didn't remove the cover on the side. We just put a piece of wood just for testing. So we screwed it in on this side, and you could just slide it back and forth wherever you want it. And then just replace the plastic here. But there's the hard drive. So these things are really good. So we're gonna test this drive because I dropped it on the ground. Let's see if it still works now. So we got the original drive down here. It's IDE. But yeah, we could just put it anywhere on the bottom here and run the wire to there. But this wires kind of are, we want to run some kind of DVD player here too, for, you know, burning or something. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys.